drilling involves using a cylindrical drill and bit to remove a coarse sample of material for examination. The resultant coarse sample is lab tested to determine the quality, density, strength, and various other properties of the material.
Senior management at Pioneer Construction recognizes that our employees are our most valuable resource, and as such, we have to protect them. We have to secure our core drills. We have to make sure we review our policies and procedures with every employee prior to any new operation. We have to make sure that all of our operations takes into account the safety of all of our employees, because without them, we have no business. Thank you from the management and staff at Pioneer Construction.
It is not possible to cover every conceivable situation you can face when using a drilling machine. Always exercise care and use your common sense. Avoid all situations which you consider to be beyond your capability. Before you start core drilling, make sure you have the required PPE for this operation. Always wear CSA-approved protective hard hat with Pioneer Retro reflective logo, protective goggles or a visor. Approved hearing protection. Hand protection. Tight-fitting, heavy-duty, and comfortable clothing that permits full freedom of movement. Safety boots.
Start the work by connecting the hitch mount to receiver hitch of the truck. Inspect the area for any hazards and mark the area of core. Use the measuring tape and mark the coring area at a distance of 1 meter. Establish a rigid connection of hitch mount using the nuts and bolts to the back of truck. Connect the drill to the hitch mount. Use a toolbox to find suitable wrench. If you do the coring/sampling, make sure you have the required wrenches, screwdriver with you. Never work alone, always ensure there is another person close at hand. Apart from being able to receive help to assemble the machine, you can also get help if an accident should occur. Ensure that the bolts are connected tightly and the whole assembly of hitch mount is secure and fixed. There could be a risk of loose nuts and the whole attachment could dismantle. Connect GFCI to generator power source, and with the power switch in the off position, connect the drill to the GFCI. With the required PPE, start the drill machine. Make sure that no pipes or electrical cables are routed in the area to be drilled. Do not apply heavy forces on the spindle as it could result in binding. Move the handle slowly as per the requirement. Do not hurry up to get the job done. Remain at a distance from the drill bit when the motor is running. Never leave the machine unsupervised with the motor running. As the coring is done, turn off the machine and slowly move the drill bit upward. Take the core sample to lab for testing. Use some piece of cloth and clean the area of core, there will always be water accumulated. A binding test is conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of the hitch mount in preventing the core drill assembly from spinning and confirming a safe core drilling operation. I requested Andrew to apply more force on the spindle and push the drill bit heavily downwards. The drill bit was binding, however the core hitch mount assembly was able to handle the torque and the core drill machine was stable and still rigidly connected to the hitch mount. The previous incident of spinning of the drill machine was not experienced in this model. Hence, this is the one safe work procedure for core drilling. Inspect the area for any hazards and mark the area of core. Use the measuring tape and mark the coring area at a distance of 1 meter. Checking that traffic control is in place and in accordance with Book 7 guidelines. Eliminate, mark, or guard all hazards accordingly. Open the trailer and use the metal arm as indicated in the direction of drill, drill here, and trailer. Connect the arm tightly using the wing nut to the trailer side. Repeat the same process on the drill side. Ensure that there is 90-degree angle between the arm and the drill base as it prevents the drill from spinning in case of binding. Supervisor should also inspect the work area to confirm that the core drillers are following the implemented safe work procedures for the core drill. With the required PPE, start the drill machine. Stop it. What wrong with this operation? You are not allowed to stand on the drill machine. Please do not stand on the drill machine. Make sure that no pipes or electrical cables are routed in the area to be drilled. Do not apply heavy forces on the spindle as it could result in binding. Move the handle slowly as per the requirement. I requested Andrew to apply more force on the spindle and push the drill bit heavily downwards. The drill bit was binding, however the metal arm assembly was able to handle the torque and the core drill machine was stable and still rigidly connected to the metal arm and trailer. This clarified the metal arm effective and safe for this operation. These two models must be used whenever we are coring. If you notice any defects on the machine, please report it to your supervisor.